Hi guys, back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you all my slimes. I have 3 slimes. I bought this one today, this one yesterday, and this one yesterday. I don't really know how this is because I put some stuff in and it started making bubbles, like automatic bubbles. I put these in them. Shimmer Me Softly, beautiful scented with roses, pink candy and strawberry, shimmer bath salt. I don't know, breakers up with salt. So yeah, I have fluffy slime. It says it's really fluffy. This is not the thing. It was just come with my bath set for Christmas. I put the slime in it, and then this is just like the mermaid slime. It's actually really nice. So I might do this one first. I haven't tried this out for ages. It used to be like this one, but now it's not. Mix. Look guys, you can tell it's not working. It's rock solid. It's rock solid. That's no longer gonna work. Anyway guys, I'm gonna show you the proper version of how it's supposed to look, but green. It's green. These are really hard to open because they don't have like an opening thing. There you go. So the lid's off. Ooh. Oh, I'm too scared. It feels nice. It feels really nice. I'm just going to move my basket here so I can put my camera there where it's more lighter. It feels nice. It feels better than what it was supposed to look like. So it's this. This one is really nice. Comment down, and at the end of this guys, comment down below which is your favourite slime. You have to put a 10 out of 10 of how it looks. So this was the first one. Looked really dull with white spots on it and stuff. And this is just gorgeous. Don't you ever leave me. So yeah, finish with that one. Go click as well. Okay, next one. I'm really excited. I haven't opened these. I saved them for this video. But I'm really excited for the next one. Okay guys, I did open them on my TikTok, so make sure you go and check out my TikTok. It's TMoon11, TMoon18 if you want to check out. So first is the fluffy, super fluffy slime. I don't know what, I think I got pink, yeah. So it says yellow is marshmallow, green is green apple, pink is bubblegum, so I've got bubblegum, and orange is mango. Ooh. Feels really like fluffy. Comes in the shape. I love this one. Oh, guys, look how good it is. And when I put it apart, it looks like cloud slime. Whoa. What's this colour, guys? It's pink. Does it smell like bubblegum? Oh, it does. My sister has a green one. It's green apple. I'm going to try and get it. I don't know where it is. I'll get it in a minute, guys, don't worry. This one, I would give it a 10. This one, I would give it like an 8. This one, 0. Or like a 1. Probably a 1. If you're wondering why it's in the background, it's my lamp. It's very sparkly, I know. Put that back, shove it all in. Guys, I need to try and find my sister's one. Oh, she has mints. All for me. She's coming in the room. What? What's coming now? I'm going to try and look out for her. She said she was coming away, but now she's not. Whoa. She's got glass key. Where is it? She's got her squishies there. Where's her slime? I don't know where her slime is. Okay guys, that's all for today. Hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Bye guys.